Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Trunath Reddy. I'm your educator for CLAT and other law entrance exams. Today, I'm going to take you for a virtual tour. So what exactly is a virtual tour? So you'll be sitting at your home, at the comfort of your home without stepping out. You will be enjoying this tour. And today we are going to Harvard of the East. But Harvard is in the West. Harvard is in Massachusetts, which is in the USA. USA is in the western part of the world. So what exactly is Harvard of the East? Some of you already know what is known as Harvard of the East. So this is the Harvard of the East, NLSIU Bangalore, the first and top NLU in India, National Law School of India University, Bangalore. So today we are going to a important virtual tour of NLS Bangalore. So what exactly is NLS Bangalore? NLS Bangalore is the first NLU in India. Yes, this is the first NLU or National Law University in India, which is established by NLSIU Bangalore Act enacted by the Karnataka State Legislative Assembly. It is always the topper of NIRF rankings. NIRF is National Institution for Ranking Framework released by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, and it always ranks one in the NIRF rankings in the law category. And NLS Bangalore is the first institute in India to offer 5-year undergraduate law program. Before NLS Bangalore, in order to study law in India, you have to complete an undergraduate course. You have to do your BA, BCom, BTech, or any of the similar courses. Then only you will be able to pursue law. Then only you will be able to study law, which means law was a postgraduate course before NLS Bangalore started its first batch. So NLS Bangalore is the first institute in India to offer 5-year program. After NLS Bangalore started its first batch, directly after your class 12 you can study law in India. So this is based on UK model. So in UK it's a 5-year course and you can do directly after your class 12. And in NLS Bangalore, as I said you, it is always also known as Harvard of the East. And how to get into NLS Bangalore, which is Harvard of the East. So how to reach over there? So what is the destination? So for Indians it is CLAT. So in order to go there, the only roadway, railway, waterway or airway is CLAT for this particular tour. So all the Indians who want to reach to NLS Bangalore, so you have to clear the CLAT examination. This is the only mode of transport to get into this very important tourist destination for law aspirants in India. Whereas for foreign nationals, you can directly come down from your flight to Bangalore and take your seat in NLS Bangalore. So for foreign nationals, it is direct admission, but for Indians, it is always through CLAT. So in order to help you with the transport part, okay, your journey part, I'm going to announce something very important. But what is that? Let's look into them in the upcoming slides. Now, with respect to placements, which most of you search for, out of 80 students, 58 students took part in the placement, and 23 students received pre-placement offer, which is PPO, which you receive it before completing your graduation, and 16 students accepted offers on day 0 and 5 students accepted on day 1. And what are the salaries offered by law firms? Law firms offer a salary of 15 to 18 lakh per annum, whereas in-house counsels will be 12 to 16 lakh per annum. So what is the difference between law firm and in-house? So in-house is you will be working in a legal team of a specific company. So let us say we have Google or Microsoft or Facebook, or we have Unacademy or any of these companies, you'll be working in the legal team. So each company will have its own legal team. Whereas law firms are separate companies which provide legal services. Just like in we have certain software companies like TCS and maybe Cognizant, all of these, as they provide software services, there are certain firms which provide legal services which are known as law firms. So this is the difference between law firm and in-house. So law firms offer a salary around 15 to 18 lakhs, the tier 1 law firms, and in-house various companies offer 12 to 16 lakhs per annum. Now most of you want to get into NLS Bangalore and by clearing the CLAT examination. So I have something very important for all of you. At Unacademy, we are launching a very important batch today, which is known as NLU Stalwarts, a beginner's batch for CLAT 2023. In this particular batch, our educators from various NLUs will be teaching all the subjects which are there in the CLAT examination. This is a bilingual batch in both Hindi and English, and it is a 1-year batch because we know that CLAT 2023 is scheduled on 18th of December. And you have all the features like raise a hand. You need not type your question in the chat window. If you have any doubt, directly raise your hand and talk to the educator directly. And you also have live voice solutions by top educators, mock test and sectional test, and 100 plus practice and revision sessions. And you will be also getting monthly current affairs and GK compendium. And If you want to enroll in this particular batch, you can use my code Trinath10 and take the subscription. You will get additional 10% discount on all plus courses. This is the maximum discount you can get by using my code. This code is applicable not only in the CLAT category but also across all categories which are there on Unacademy. So we are offering these courses. It is a subscription model. You don't just purchase this particular course. Whenever you take a subscription, you purchase the entire platform. So whenever you are taking this thing, all our prices are affordable, starts from rupees 1400 per month. So 9 month is recommendable if you're preparing for CLAT 2022. 12 month is recommendable if you're preparing for CLAT 2023. You can take any of these courses by using my code Trinath and THRINATH10. If you're using this code, you'll be getting additional 10% discount and also personal mentorship from my end. If you're using, do let me know that you have used my code. I'll be offering you personal mentorship, and you need not pay all these prices. You'll get instant 10% discount, and if you have credit coins, then you will be getting another additional 10% discount. Now let us look into the fee per annum at NLS Bangalore. It is comparatively high when you compare with other NLUs. It is around 2.6 lakh per annum. But if you get into NLS Bangalore, there are many ways in which you can pay this particular fee, and don't worry about the fee structure. And if you're getting into NLS Bangalore, this fee is nothing. It is always worth it. Okay. So here are some important notable alumni. First important one is Professor Sudhir Krishnaswamy. So Professor Sudhir Krishnaswamy is an alumnus of NLS Bangalore. He studied in NLS Bangalore, and currently he is the Vice Chancellor of NLS Bangalore and also the ex officio Secretary Treasurer of CLAT Consortium. He is also a member. He represents India in the Facebook Oversight Board. So Facebook has an oversight board which has representatives from various countries. So from India, Professor Sudhir Krishnaswamy was chosen, and this particular oversight board acts as a Supreme Court for Facebook. And two important advocates practicing in the Supreme Court of India are also alumni of NLS Bangalore, Menaka Guruswamy and Arundhati Kajju. Both of them have advocated for decriminalizing homosexuality and Section 377 of IPC in the Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India. You must have studied it in our classes when we were explaining about the Section 377 case and Navtej Singh Johar case. So these are the two important advocates of Supreme Court of India who graduated from NLS Bangalore and advocated for decriminalizing homosexuality in India. And Professor Shamnath Bashir, a very important professor in intellectual property rights, and he's also the founder of Spicy Spicy blog, and he's also the founding members of he's one of the founding member of IDIA Charitable Trust, a very important trust about which you'll come to know when you are coming to NLS Bangalore and any other NLU in India. And two important other chief legal officers or general counsel, we generally call them as general counsel. So general counsel is the chief legal officer, the person who manages all the legal affairs of the company. He is Mr. Thiru Gangappa, the chief legal officer or general counsel of Google India. He not only manages the legal part of Google India, but also the entire part of South Asia. So Google is a very important tool which you use for your CLAT preparation and also for various other things. And this particular Thiru Gangappa, who is the general counsel for Google India, is also from NLS Bangalore. So Mr. Anand, who is also from NLS Bangalore, he did not do his LLB or LLM, but he did a diploma course in intellectual property rights from NLS Bangalore. He manages the legal part of WhatsApp for India, and he is also from NLS Bangalore. And with respect to infrastructure, the first one is library, and this particular library, you can see this entire thing is library, a very big, huge, spacious and humongous library which we have, and it has a collection of over 70,000 volumes covering a wide range of general and special books. You have law related books and non-law related books as well, and there are also various international online databases like Westcloster, Kluwer Online, Springer Link. You will come to know all of these when you come to NLS Bangalore or any other law school, and various other CD-ROM facilities such as SCC Online, AAR, etc. And we have all the audio-visual equipment, Wi-Fi, internet connection, and with teleconferencing facility. All of these facilities are there at NLS Bangalore, and this is a very big library which is there in NLS Bangalore. This complete thing is library, and you have some pictures of NLS Bangalore library over here. And then other infrastructures for boys, you have in-campus hostel, and even for girls also you have in-campus hostel. This is one of the images from outside of boys hostel. And sports complex is also there: basketball court, football court, tennis court, table tennis, and also you have various labs like computer lab and also cyber forensic lab. So we have other important infrastructure like moot court, cafeteria, gym, hospital and medical facilities, and also Wi-Fi campus. So this is a moot court of NLS Bangalore. This is a very important event, which two important events: NLS Trilegal International Arbitration Conference and also NLS Trilegal International Arbitration Moot. Two important things which takes place, in collaboration with Trilegal and NLS Bangalore. A very important event. So these happens at NLS Bangalore every single year, and we also have other sports facilities as well. And other facilities are like bank and ATM facility, and we also have aerobic and yoga center, and we also have training center and also guest house. So these are some other facilities which are available at NLS Bangalore. NLS Bangalore, if you look, is a very important institute in India. And if you're somebody who wants to get into NLS Bangalore, you definitely have to give your CLAT examination. And we are also launching NLU Stalwarts batch, a very important batch for your CLAT examination. If you're somebody who's preparing, make sure that you're enrolling in this particular batch by using my code. And that's all for this particular video. All the best for your CLAT 2022 and also CLAT 2023 examination. Happy CLATting.